Rishit, Rishit, come friend. Repeat.
Hello everybody, this is Kirtana from 6th standard from Narayana Institution of Manchar branch. Today, I am standing here to explain you about fueling our bodies and minds. Before getting into the topic, first I thank who given me this opportunity to know my communication skills. So without any delay, let's get into the topic. Fueling our bodies and minds. What do you mean by fueling our bodies and minds? Let us understand about it. Fueling our bodies and minds is important for our overall well-being and two are closely connected with each other. Here are some ways that fueling our bodies and minds can help us. Nutrition. What is a nutrition? Eating a well-balanced diet with the right nutrition can help us to maintain good healthy body weight, boost our immune system and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Here are some nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, proteins and water are essential for our bodies to function properly. Positive thoughts. What do you mean by positive thoughts? Positive thoughts can improve our mood, boost our confidence and enhances our physical vitality. Mental health. Do you know, taking care of our bodies and minds can help us to maintain good mental health. But some signs of poor mental health include low income and being a racial or ethnic minority. Energy. We utilize energy in many forms to survive and thrive, including a caloric nutrition from our mental health, positive mindset and motivating energy from others. Achieve optimal wellness with these proven strategies. There is widespread chronic sickness and suffering today, stemming unhealthy foods, unhealthy lifestyles, and detrimental impact on your obesity and mental health disorders. Now it's time to know about a person who's American entrepreneur and author, Jim Rohn. He said, "Take care of your body. It's the only place where you have to live. I'm sure that you all deserve the same thing for improved health, life, and happiness. Make it a goal to integrate these tips and activities into your daily routine. Deep breathing, the power of air. Do you know, breathing is one of the most crucial things we do every day that can improve your physical and emotional health right away. But although you may not give it much thought, by taking calm, deep breaths, you activate your nervous system that can lower your heart rate, blood pressure, as well as your feelings of stress and anxiety. Water, the key to hydration. Staying hydrated is critical for your health and overall well-being. But water is one of the most important nutrients that has required for our bodies and normal physical activities like fatigue, difficulty concentration, mood swings. These are all results from dehydration. Let us know a few practical tips. Carry one water bottle with you all the day and make it a habit to consume water frequently. Drink at least 10 to 12 cups of water per day. It helps to keep you full. Consume plenty of water with vegetables and fruits. Some days I end up eating whole cucumbers. Quality of food, fueling your body. Do you know the quality of food you eat is also too critical you're feeding your bodies and minds. But when you eat a well-balanced diet with the right nutrition, can help us to maintain good healthy weight, increase your energy and lowers your chance of acquiring chronic diseases. Consume meals that are vitamins, minerals and antioxidants to your body. Exercise, the benefits of movement and stretching. Do you know regular physical activities which are naturally required for our bodies to function properly? They not only enhances your physical and emotional health but also has a substantial favorable impact on your mental health. Endorphins, which are natural mood enhancers, are also released during exercise, which helps us relieve tension and anxiety. Health is most important for our bodies and minds. If you keep neglecting in taking care of our bodies and minds, in future we can face many problems. Certainly, these tips and activities will help you to fuel your bodies and minds. Hope you all understand very well. Take healthy food and be healthy. Thank you for your precious, valuable and special time.